take extreme pride in the products we make. And our latest piece of smart home wizardry? A lock. For locking stuff. Doors, mostly. From anywhere on the mother-loving planet. To create Wyze Lock, we harvested fossilized brontosaurus balls and combined them with locally sourced sustainable belly hairs of unicorns to forge a mythical, indestructible alloy. A metal so strong it has no name. Okay, fine, it's aluminum. Each lock is created with exquisite precision. Read a bedtime story each night, and then rocked to sleep by the furry bosom of Fernando, our in-house blacksmith. Wyze Lock fits right over your existing hardware. It's like giving your lock a bionic arm. If you want to go on hiding metal keys under doormats and fake-looking hollow rocks, then go ahead. But with Wyze Lock, your phone becomes your key. It unlocks automatically as you approach your door, and then locks when the door closes. With its built-in gyroscope, it knows when your door is open or when it's closed, because it's smart. It's so smart, when it's not locking your door, it's rewriting the last season of Game of Thrones with an appropriate balance of shock value and sensible character development. And if you're out roaming the motherland on top of the last of the great American bison and need to unlock your door for a fellow pilgrim, well, saddle up, open the app, and unlock that door like a Jim Bridger boss. Because who cares if your ancestors crossed the plains and had to draw water from a frozen well just to boil a cup of oatmeal? Sometimes you don't feel like standing up and walking across the room, and that's okay. At only $99, you'll be able to secure your entire home for less than shoeing a horse. Wyze Lock. Now you're living in the future.